x, y and z we did. Okay. Now we'll go on to the next one. That is the next problem, that is x plus y plus z plus w. Okay, they given a one more letter there, w. Okay, they given a picture also. With that we have to find the value of x, y and z. In the previous class we solved some of the x, y, z we did and we calculated also. And in the next class, in this class we solve the next problem. Okay, before we start the problem, we'll say the prayer and we'll move on to the problem. Okay, all of you close your eyes and repeat after me. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकालेषु सर्वदा. Okay, now we'll solve the second problem. B1, they given a picture like this. They given a line crossing the four lines crossing. They are cutting and they are forming a quadrilateral. They are forming a quadrilateral. Okay, they given a picture like this and they given some of the angles here. W and this will be Z. This will be 60 degree. This will be 80 degree. 120 x. This will be y. Okay, they given like this and they are telling find x plus y plus z plus w. After knowing the picture, we have to name the picture. Without naming, how you will solve it? I am naming it as a P. This line will be P. This line will be Q. The lines are naming with the letters P, Q, R. Line I am naming it as a P, Q, R, and the last one, that is S. Four lines we have, so I am naming it as a P line, Q line, R line, and S line. After naming the lines, we have to name the points. So I am naming it as a. This point is a A. This point is a B. This point is a C, and this one is a D. Okay, points I am naming A, B, C, D. Lines I am naming P, Q, R, S. 4 points, 4 lines. Okay. After knowing the lines and after knowing the points, we have to find out the value of x, value of y, value of z, and value of w. X is here, y is here, z is here, and w is here. We have to know the value of these. And they given three angles here. BCD they given 120, CDA they given 80, DAB they given 60. They given three angles here, 60, 80 and 120. We know. We have to find the value of x, we have to find the value of y, we have to find the value of z and w. All the four points we have to find out. Now we will solve it. First one, we know given, which all they given, we will write it step by step, and after that we will find the value of x, y, z and w. First one, angle PAB. Where is PAB? PAB. It is named as a Z. Okay? Z angle. Next one, BAD. Where is BAD? B. Okay? A and B. BAD is 60 degree. Next one, angle QBC. Where is QBC? QBC. It is named as a W. Next one, BCD. BCD. BCD is 120 degree. Next one, angle DCR. DCR. D is here, R, C is here, R is here. It is named as a X. Angle X. And also we have an angle, that is C angle ADC. ADC is 80 degree. 80 degree. The last one is ADS. Where is ADS? ADS is 1. So here what all they given? Property of quadrilateral. What is the sum? Angle property, and this angle should be what? 360. Here we are not taking 180. Why we are not taking 180? Because here we have four sides. The angle have to be equals to what? 360. Okay. Now we have to take all the four angles. Which all angles we have? This angle, this one, and this one is equals to 360. So I will write it here. I'm solving in this part. So we have angle BAD plus angle ABC plus angle BCD plus angle ABC is equals to 360 degree. This is the property of quadrilateral. The property of quadrilateral. So in this we have to apply that all values, that all angles, and apply in this, and we'll prove the our equation. So BAD we have how much? Here we have see 60 degree plus ABC. We have ABC here. We don't have ABC. We have to find out. So angle 1 I'm naming it. Plus BCD. How much we have BCD? 120. Plus ADC. We have ADC, that is 80 degree. Why we are naming it as a 1? Because one more interior angles they are not mentioning here. They are not mentioned. So we have to find out this. Then only we can find the next value of x, y and z. So I'm finding first that angle. So add these two. 60 plus 120. How much we get? 60 plus 120 will be 60 plus 120 plus 180. All the three. How much we get? 260. Plus angle 1 is equals to 360. And taking angle 1 out, this side will go to that side. The plus becomes minus. 360 minus 260. How much we get? Angle 1 we got 100. Here how much we got? Yes. All the four sides we got. All the four angles we got. This we got 60, this is 80, this is 120, and this is 100. After knowing all the four, we have to find out the x value, y value, and z value. Now, I am rubbing this side, this part. Please copy this all step by step. Then only we can find the and easily calculate the values. Okay. After getting the angle 1, we have to take a line. Like in the previous class we did. We have to take a one line and we have to find the value of each sides, exterior sides. So I am taking first line, that is PAD line. Is a line. Where is PAD? PAD. I am taking this line. In this line we have a y. Okay. So I am taking this line. First one, PAD is equals to angle PAB, angle PAB plus angle BAB equals to 180 degree. 180 degree. PAB, how much is that? PAB is Z plus BAD. Angle they given 60 degree. Equals to 180 degree. Z I am taking out 180 minus 60 degree. Minus this, how much we get? 180. If you minus 180 with a 60, what we get? We get 120. Z we got. Now 1 we got. Z we got. Like this we have to find the. Okay, Z we got 180. First we got Z. And we'll move on to the next one. Y we have, X we have, and W we have. So we have to find out the remaining points. So next one I am taking QBA line. Where is QBA? QBA. I am taking this line. That time we taken this one. PA C. Where is ABC? A, B, C. How much we got? ABC is 1. Angle 1 plus angle 1. How much is angle 1? That time we did 100. Okay, we already got that 100 plus QBC. Where is QBC? QBC. What is QBC? W is equals to 180. Okay, I am taking W this side now. I am taking W this side. I am moving 100 to that side. When we move to that side, we make plus to minus. So that will be 180 minus 100 degree. When we minus 180 with 100, what we get, children? We get 80. We got W now. We got W now. We got Z also. We got W also. We got two numbers now. We got two values. Now remaining how many values we have to find? Still two more values we have to find now. So we'll move on to the next line. Which line? We took this also. We took this also. Remaining two lines. We have to take these two lines and we have to find that remaining 2 points. So BR9. Where is BR now? Where is BR? BR. This line we have to take now. This line I am taking now. Okay. In the BR we have DCR plus BCD is equals to 180 degree. Where is DCR? DCR. This is 120 degree. 120 degree plus BCD. BCD. We did that only. DCR. Where is DCR? Okay. DCR is X. Okay. Sorry. DCR is X and BCD. BCD is 120. Is equals to 180. 180 will be common. Why 180 is common? Angle sum property. All of you remember that. Angle sum property will be always 180. When we do angle sum property of quadrilateral, we have to write 360. We are taking here triangle. So we have to take 180. Now X I am taking out. This 120 will go that side. Now 180 minus 120. Minus these two, what we get? 180 minus 120? 60. We got one more number now. What we got? X we got. W we got. Z we got. What is remaining now? Y is remaining now. We have to find the Y value. Which line we have to take now? CS. This line is remaining. CS I am taking now. CS has a CS is a line. Okay. In CS, what all angles we get? ABC plus ADS plus ABC is equals to 180 degree. ADS, where is ADS? ADS. What is that? Y. Yes. ADC. What is this? ADC. What is this? 80 degree. Is equals to 180. I am taking Y out. 80 that side. 180 minus. What is remaining now? 100. We got what? We got Y also. We got Z. We got W. We got X. We got Y. After getting all the values X, Y, Z, W, they given us one equation there. In your textbook, they given us one equation. What is that equation? They given X plus Y plus Z plus W. Satisfy this equation after finding all the values. So we have to satisfy that equation now. I will draw this picture now. This side portion I will rub it and will show you the satisfaction part now. Okay. We got X. Where is X? Here. We got X has a 60. I am writing 60. Where is Y? 100. We have 100. Plus. Where is that? 120. W is 80. All the 4s we have. 4 we have. Now add these numbers. 60 plus 100 will be 160. Plus 120 plus 80 will be 200. 200 plus easily. Understood now how to solve the problems? We solved almost all the problems we solved in the exercise. Please copy these all things step by step. How we solved in the class. Like that only you also have to solve. And we'll do the next part now. The next what they given. Copy these all children now. We'll move on to the next content. The next one. Sum of measures of exterior angle. Sum of measures of exterior angles of a polygon. Okay, of a polygon we have to find out. Sum of measures of exterior angles of a polygon. In this polygon, always the angle have to be 360. 180 only comes in the triangle case. Okay, the sum will be 180. In the triangle, the sum will be always 180. Don't forget that. In the quadrilateral and in the polygon, the sum will be 360 only. Okay. We have for this also formula like that only. Angle A plus B plus C is equals to 360. Not 180. 360. The formula will be same. But here we are using exterior angles, not interior angles. We have to find the exterior angles. So many sums are there in this. We will solve it in the next class. We will start that topic in the next class only. Please revise these all things. And these all sums what we solved now in these all classes. Please copy it in your classwork and complete it. We will see you in the next class. Bye.